Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's me, Vanessa, and today I'm going to be doing a full-on self-care night because I don't know how to describe it, but I've been in much need of a full-on self-care night. Oh my gosh, I'm literally right next to my projector right now. But my desk is looking really nice, it's looking really organized, so I hope you guys enjoyed the little prep in the beginning. But I am going to try and do a full self-care night because at the moment, let me get my phone, it is currently like it's almost going on 9:40. Like it's basically almost 10 o'clock, but it's not really. It's like 9:40. It is Thursday the 17th of August. I just posted one of my new videos, so if you haven't already seen what the video was just after this one, make sure to go and check it out. And I have, as I said before, have been in much need of a self-care night, and I'm really excited because I've already like set up the mood, you know, I've gotten myself into that aroma and that vibe, and as I normally say, in that vibe and in that zone. But honestly, I am really excited to do this video, so you guys can come along with me as we do this. So I think the first thing that I actually want to do full on for self-care night, and something that I've been actually like low-key procrastinating about, is doing my wall up there. So as you see right there, I've got my hearts on my walls, and well, my heart on my wall, and it is my shelf, and I usually use it to like put my stuff away. And if you guys have probably seen in the background in most of my videos, even on my TikTok, I have been obsessed ever since I got this in one of my other videos. I think it was a few months ago. I have been non-stop using it, but the only problem is it doesn't have a lot of stuff inside of it. And I know I'm very guilty when it comes to organization. So I think the first self-care task that I want to do is just generally some organization. Okay, so now that I have just finished that, which is basically like the first step of my routine, I want to get on to my favorite bit of every single skincare night routine possible, which is literally the hot baths. But at the moment it's like summer season, so it might be a little bit more on the colder side, but overall I really like it. And you know what? I am genuinely feeling really relaxed at the moment because I want to try and do a nice hot bath. So let's go and run some hot bath. Okay guys, so I just got back from the shower. My hair is actually quite wet at the moment, because like the tip of the water went into my hair. I am not happy about that, but still, it's okay. That's why it's slightly wet on my top, but we live and we learn. Anyways, so now I'm gonna get onto my one step that I really want to do. So first is this. I've actually posted a TikTok with this on my head, but it's just because I use it a lot. I don't know why. I don't know how to describe it exactly, but it makes it feel like it's more on your head. Ah, there we go. Boom. I kind of got it. Okay, and then tie this one. Okay, so now that I have got my little hair slightly damp, still slightly damp, but it's okay. I have got my thing going on here. It's very pretty, and I really like it. I'm gonna now put on the face mask, because this is the face mask that I'm gonna be using. This is what the face mask is called. I actually got this as a gift from one of my aunties, so thank you so much. And this face mask is called, this face mask is going to make my skin a solid 10 out of 10. 15 out of 10. Not a 10 out of 10, but a 15 out of 10. It's really cute and I really like the packaging. I'm going to put some music on, and I might actually put my candle back on and my candle wax burner as well, because I just didn't want to have them on when I was out of the room, because it doesn't make sense having them on when I was out of the room. Okay guys, so my timer just went on off a few minutes ago, so let's stop this. Okay, now I'm gonna take off the face mask and I'm gonna moisturize my face. I don't know, you know what, I don't know if I look any different. I literally have no idea. I can't even see, but oh my gosh, this face mask is really good though. Like 100%, it's gotta be my favorite because I have been in need of a face mask. You know what, I think let's actually go onto my channel and check the last time that I did a face mask. Okay, so the last time I did a face mask was actually 3 weeks ago. That is not enough time. That is not enough time. 3 weeks ago. I did one face mask, but I have not done sheet masks in the longest time. Been recently using a lot more of my lip kits at the moment, so I'm gonna use my lip kit again because, to be honest, I've been using these, like, I know I had them more or less in the back, but I have actually been using these quite a bit. So I'm gonna use I'm gonna use this honeycomb lip one because I really like these tiny ones. I love how tiny they are. They remind me of little mini Vaselines. Okay, so now that I have finished all of the basic skincare stuff, I'm going to... Ow! Oh! Okay. I do not know why that felt like it ripped off from my hair. Anyways, I'm going to take this off. I'm going to put it back where I found it. And I think I'm going to do a little bit of Bible study actually. Because recently I have been doing a lot of different stuff. I have been journaling one. That's something I've started quite a bit. And it's really helped me a lot. And I'm going to try and do some more Bible study because I'm trying to be very good. I'm trying to keep like both leveled at the same time. So when I do journaling sometimes, I want to also be able to do Bible study because sometimes I don't have time to fit it into one day. So tonight I'm going to try and do a bit of Bible study because like last night I would be able to do journaling. So that's like kind of my one-on-one thought process. I don't understand it, but it makes sense a little bit in my mind. So I think the first thing I'm going to try and do for Bible study is I'm going to try and just go through a chapter because I know that I have already gone through most of the chapters. So I'm just going to go through the chapter that it recommended me on my Bible app. So I'm going to try and go through, let's check what my Bible app is saying at the moment. So my Bible app, it is on 2 Peter, so I'm going to go on to 2 Peter and I'm just going to read through some of that and do a little bit of note journaling, or I might just read it generally. But it's a nice little thing to do because not only do you want to do a lot more stuff when you're doing skincare, you don't want to just do like the stuff, because this stuff is really nice, of course, but I also want to be able to go more into reading, etc., and be able to like read. Also, update on the a little mini update on that book I was reading. It is a lot to be honest. I actually got through a bunch of pages of my book, which is The Summer I Turned Pretty. Don't worry, okay, I wouldn't say I'm a quick reader. I feel like I'm a little bit of a slow reader, but I can definitely get it done. Guys, so you know what, I feel like time went really fast actually, to me anyways, because now it is currently 11:04, so it's actually like 11 PM, so it's close to like 12 AM or so, and I am actually really relaxed. Like, I genuinely feel like this video was a really good idea because I needed to de-wind and de-stress completely. And honestly, I have been a little bit stressed, so what better way to do this kind of video. And I also wanted to do a personal message just quickly. You do not need anything else to make yourself look beautiful or eccentric. I just did this for fun, but genuinely you don't need anything else to make yourself think. Everyone has their own self-care definitions. This is how I personally do my own self-care. Some people can do it in different ways, in different types, in different shapes, etc. And you don't have to be obligated or forced to do someone else's routine. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this little video, and hopefully it motivated you to take some time out of your day and out of your week to take care of yourself, because you need to take care of yourself, because your body is not going to take care of itself by itself. You need to have some time, maybe even like a break, maybe even just a moment where you are able to have a moment of breaking. It will be good. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you next time on this channel. Bye!